We're here with Enzym Medical Trading.
We're an Irish manufacturer. We've travelled from Ireland. We've been doing business with Mr. Ravi, Mohammed Ravi here. He's been doing a fantastic job creating inclusive spaces around Dubai, and we've been manufacturing a lot of equipment for him in Ireland. So we've basically re-engineered all of our products to work on a single application. We've now created an app where our full rooms, our snoozling rooms, can be controlled via smartphone. So we've made some further developments with this product over the last couple of years. As time goes on, the technology has changed. You can now tick a box, like when you're buying a new car. You can have it with a water bed, you can have it with a heated vibration mattress, or from a proprioceptive vestibular point of view, you can have a rotating mattress. So we try to meet the needs of every end user. I'd like to give a special thanks to my friend and business partner, Mr. Mohammed Rabi in Enzym Medical. He's a market leader in the industry here, and he's really pioneering a very inclusive path in Dubai. So if you need any equipment, this is your man.